Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi there, welcome back to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. I'm Shagun. Stop wondering what to put in your tiffin boxes because India's most loved chefs have come up with 200 different recipes for 200 school days. So today I'm making sweet and spicy grilled chicken. Now this is a delicious recipe which is also packed with lots of protein. So let me show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So I'm ready to make this yummy chicken recipe, and for that I will switch on my flame. It's a very easy, quick one pan recipe. Okay, so the flame is on. In goes my olive oil. I've put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Right. Now once the pan heats, I'm going to add the garlic. Just wait. So it's time for me to put in my vegetables. So I've got some carrots, baby corn, zucchini because I love them, and some green beans. So as you can see, there's lots of yummy veggies. And I can actually add chicken at the same time because it will take almost about the same time for them to cook. I'm also going to add the Kissan Sweet and Spicy Sauce to this dish. And guess why? The reason is A, it's going to make it nice and tangy. And B, it will also help the chicken to remain moist. So in goes this yummy sauce. And then I've got some salt. So my chicken looks ready and done. And just before I put it in my dabba, I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice to bring up the little bit of sourness in this dish. It's going to be yummy. So that's done. So while this cools down, I'm going to prepare my dabba. So for that, I've got some beautiful fresh pineapple pieces. You see, it's a nice dessert, and some raisins for the iron. Very important to balance the nutrition in your child's dabba. So my chicken is ready to now go inside my dabba. So here it is. Some delicious vegetables packed with the protein. So I hope I was able to solve your tiffin trouble for today. If you did enjoy this, please do not forget to subscribe to India Food Network. Please share and like, and I will be back tomorrow to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.